Hey guys, this is Stephanie from Creatively Miss E coming to you with my Grove collaborative box. I'm unboxing. This is my February box, and I can't wait to show you guys what I received for February. So if you give me a minute, I'll take everything out the box and show you what came in. Okay guys, here what came in my Grove collaborative box. I got a Method Daily Granite Cleaner because my kitchen here has granite countertops. And then I got the Method Steel for Real for the refrigerator, the stove, the microwave, the sink, the dishwasher. They're all steel. Then I have the Method All-Purpose Cleaner. I usually get the one with the grapefruit because a girl is allergic to a lot. So this is something different. I want to try and see if it affects me in any way. And then I got my Method soap refill. I love this dishwashing soap. It's great, guys. I really love it. It's good on the hands. It smells good. It cleans dishes really well. I like this soap. And then here I have this tray, guys. I already have one, but I purchased another one because I know somewhere else in the house I want to use it. I really like these trays. So this is what I received for my February Grove collaborative box. So I'm glad you stuck around with me, guys. And this is Stephanie, as always, saying you guys be blessed.